on that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm unbothered and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you press subscribe. And so today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a butterfly shrimp. Don't know what it is, this this for example. So I'll be showing you guys how to make a butterfly shrimp, which is what I'm showing you just now. So all you need really some and 2 pieces of shrimp. I got a shrimp that I finished yesterday, so this is my fish yesterday. So yeah, let's get it started. Okay, so all you need is 2 different colors of shrimp. So right now I got black and light blue. And then all you have to do, also all I do is make it even. So just make it like even as well. Make sure it's the same width on both ends. All you do is start off, just tie the knots. But for me, I do lines, double knot lines. That's one. Or as a way, I just tie the knot at the top right here. So that's the first knot. Make sure you always have a knot. And then if you want to, do another one. And there you go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make a loop. Could do an loop in any color. So for me, I'm just starting off with black. I'm going to start off real slow. Okay, so there you go, your first loop. Like a bunny rabbit. And then you grab the second one. Wrap it around. The black one or the first one that you did. And then make another bunny ear or a wrapper loop, I should say. And then put it through the first one. And then grab this one, which is the first one. And then you pull it. And yours should be starting like this. It's okay to mess up. If you're a beginner, it's okay. Because for example, I just messed up mine. All you gotta do, boom, come right out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure my string, okay, and 5. Okay, and then you repeat the steps all over again. Okay, so this is how the back or the front part looks, and this is how the back part looks. Now this shows how it looks for okay, if something like this happened, I don't know if I can show y'all, but Let's see. Like this. All you have to do is make a loop to the back. Boom, boom, boom. And just wiggle this part. And you're good. Good as new.